Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel again. It's Ada here again. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what like a typical Sunday in my life looks like, just a little bit anyways. So we're just back from church, so I'm just starting to kind of like clean up the whole place, and I already took out, these are the covers for my couch. Yeah, I love that the couch is like a removable cover, so you can always just take it out and wash it, because I have kids, so it always gets messy. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be doing a Sunday in my life kind of, and clean with me, just do it all. Honestly, that's what we're going to be doing today. So if this looks like the kind of thing or content you like watching and you're new on here, welcome to my channel. Please do go ahead and click that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post any new videos. Yeah, I post videos 2 times a week. It might be, yeah, particularly Tuesdays and Fridays. So yeah, always expect a new video from me Tuesdays and Fridays. Like you guys, I'm trying to stay consistent this year. I'm trying to make this YouTube thing work this year. Honestly, I feel like I've just been kind of like not consistent. Of course I know, but I'm trying to get consistent this time and just do what I have to do. So go ahead and subscribe. Please don't forget to share my videos, like, comment your best part of this video in the comment section, and yeah, let's get into it. I'm excited, right? So yeah, now we are back from church and the girls are kind of like changing up, so I'm just cleaning out whatever mess they made in the morning before we left for church. And the baby's laying right there, she's just chilling. So yeah, honestly, Sundays are kind of like so chill, because it feels so good. I don't know how to explain it, but it just feels so good because I know I don't have to work, I don't have to do any other thing apart from just refreshing my house, cleaning up, making sure everywhere is clean, and just kind of like spending time with my family, cooking something nice. I always cook something special on Sundays. That's how I do it. That's like a family tradition right now at this point. So I just kind of like cooking something special on Sundays. I already kind of like plan and know what I feel like cooking, anything special. And of course, if you guys know, I have a food channel where I do cooking videos, recipes, and all of that. I will leave the link in the description box down below. So what I cooked today in this video will definitely be up on my food channel. So if you want to see, you definitely go there. You can subscribe and support me on there as well. I do everything cooking because I just did not want to mix cooking with my channel right here. So I just wanted it to be more of family, vlogs and all of that. So yeah, you can see that the dirt isn't much because it's on a Sunday, and I previously did some cleaning, and it's more like going through everything. So opening up the windows, just freshening out the house and trying to get something for us to eat, get food ready, do all of that. That's just basically what I'm doing. So I just like Sundays. It's more like relaxing. It just feels so relaxing. Sundays are just relaxing, chilling with family, just having fun and just bonding with my kids and all. That's just what it is for me. So, and I just don't like cooking in a messy kitchen or dirty kitchen or anything at all. Like, I just like the kitchen clean before I start cooking. I don't know, let me know in the comment section if there's any other person like that, like me right here, because I just don't like, so I always clean up first before I cook, and then after cooking clean up again. I guess I just enjoy cleaning. I think that's my problem. But I just love my kitchen looking clean and nice, nothing in the sink. As you can see, I'm washing the dishes, trying to just clean out the whole place and make sure that there's no dirt, there's nothing in the sink, and it's just all clear and cool for me to cook. So I'm going to go take out the trash, and I'm going to take down the laundry as well so I can do the laundry and everything. So I'm just going ahead to do the laundry and just sort out everything. This laundry room, honestly, I don't know what to do with it for now. I won't lie. I just don't know what to do with it, like in terms of decor and everything. I don't know how to like arrange it and fix it. And I honestly, I want to do something, but I don't think I'm going to do it because as it stands now, I don't really know how long I'm still going to like live in this house. So I just don't know. I don't want to stress it and put in all that effort and then end up not even staying. So you guys can see I'm filming everything that I'm doing, with my camera. Yes, I have a whole lot of filming gadgets. I have my camera, I have my phones, I have all of that. So as you can see, I'm filming with my camera because it's going to be going up on my food channel. So yeah. So like I said, everything is going to be on my food channel if you want to know. I'll see the exact thing I cooked. I made some shrimp fried rice. That's what I made. I actually thought I showed it in this video, but I did not. So that's what I made. So guys, like I was saying, I made some air fried chicken, and I made some shrimp fried rice just with the shrimp. Honestly, I have that on my food channel. It's definitely going up there. Yeah, as you can see, as I'm doing things, the kids just keep coming in. Of course, it's Sunday chill day, so everybody needs mommy at this point. So yeah. So right now I'm done cooking, and I made myself a cup of iced coffee. And then I'm just sitting down here catching up on some YouTube. I love watching YouTube, you guys. I'm just sitting down here catching up on some YouTube videos, especially apartment tours and house tours and all of that. I just love home decor, so I'm always watching to see how other people's kind of like get an idea. Like I get so many ideas from other YouTubers, watch their apartment tours, house tours, and just see how everyone kind of like decorated their house. That's what I love watching, and that's what I do. And then these kids, they've already, of course, they've had their food as well, but then they just keep bothering me. They were with their sister, and they just brought her back for me. Whenever she starts crying, they just cannot even handle it. They always bring her back to me, and of course start bugging me and wanting to still eat from my food. Like, why do kids eat their food and then also decide yours is also kind of like maybe yours tastes better or something? They still want to eat your own food. So here I'm eating and just chilling. I'm done cooking and all of that. They were all eating and I'm just chilling. You can see this girl taking my drink. Yeah. Look at us fighting for whipped cream. They like putting it, like kind of like, what I say, they're just taking whipped cream in their mouth. I don't even understand how that tastes, but whatever. Just for them to leave me alone. Look at how happy they are. Anything for them to just leave me alone, honestly. So I'm just chilling, watching TV, eating, and just doing my thing. So now, of course, I'm done eating and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting. I went to the laundry and I brought back the chair covers that I took out before. Then I'm now just putting them back on, making sure everything is in there and nice. And you guys, it smells so good. Whenever you're done washing it, like, it always smells so good, and your living room will just be smelling so good. So I'm just fixing everything, making sure the living room and everywhere is clean, because of course the next day is Monday, so you just want to make sure that everywhere is clean and everything is okay, everything is looking good. Done cleaning, done cooking, done doing everything. And now it's time for me to kind of like edit my videos. This is the time when they are upstairs and they've all eaten, everybody has had their bath, and they're all just good. So it's now time for me to just edit my videos. That's it, work just never ends, right? So it's just time for me to sit here and edit my videos and see how many videos I can work on for the night before I retire back to bed and everything. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, it's kind of like a vlog style. I don't even know what to call it, but whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video.